Hi, today I'm just doing a really quick install on this Roar Throttle Controller that I got. I keep wanting to call it a Commander because there's actually another one I was going to get, but it's like $300 something. But anyway, I met the install mode, and because my car is lowered and there's just not any lighting up under here, I'm just going to show you. There's the pedal. There's the throttle sensor controller that's hooked to the pedal, throttle pedal. And I've already see the wire hanging there. I've already unplugged it, and that's the one you're going to unplug. And then these two wires right here off the box that you get with your kit plugs in to that wire, and the other one plugs into the actual sensor. And then this long cord you get here that looks like a phone cord actually plugs into your monitor, where you can select you know, whatever mode you want to do. There's 5 different modes, and you can go all the way up to 9 settings in each mode. But what I'm going to do is, there's a lot of good videos on YouTube on how to install these and everything, and I'm not going to do one. It's just be boring because it's really simple. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to install. And I'm going to set everything up, and I'm not going to mount it yet, and then we're going to go out because I'm really excited about trying the Sport Plus mode. And it comes preset at 3 when you can go all the way up to 9. They say that's ideal. But we're gonna go ahead and get it plugged in, everything set up, and then we'll continue back once I get in the car and start it. But before you plug this thing in and unplug anything, you need to wait 15 minutes before you start on it, because if you don't, your PC or ECM will still be reading your throttle sensor, and they'll throw a code. So wait up to 15 minutes before you even unplug it and start working on it. Don't shut the car on. Don't put it in accessory mode, run mode, or anything while you're installing it. And then after you install it, just put it in run mode, but don't start it. Set what you want it to set at, then start the car, and then, you know, test the modes out. But anyway, the instructions has all that in there, and it's only about 160 bucks. But I'm sweating like I'm in a chicken coop. So let's go ahead and get this installed and get down the road and see what's up. All right, guys. We're in sport mode now, and I've got it on 8. I jumped from the factory, what they preset it at 3, sensitivity 3. I got it on 8. Whoa. And this is race mode. This is supposed to be the mode that if you're going to go out and race. Oh shit, oh shit. Whoa, guy. Oh, woo. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking the race mode is the mode that I probably would want to run if I'm just going to be out just playing and trying to race folks. Because that shit's jumpy. I mean, it's like, it's real jumpy. I mean, it's hard to explain the kind of feeling I'm getting because I'm not used to the feeling in this car, because the throttle is electronically controlled in these cars, and it feels like it feels like almost like you're driving a car with a Holley 650 or 750 on it, and all 4 barrels are coming on at the same time. It's kind of what it feels like. I mean, it's just kind of hard to explain because I've never felt that in this car before. But when I tell you there is a huge ass difference, I'm not lying. And of course, you're gonna turn right and be all up in my damn way, but it's very freaking responsive. I mean, very responsive. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm liking the race mode better than I am all the other modes. I was able to tell a big difference in the Sport Plus mode, but definitely in the race mode. Come on, guy, get the hell on right and do some testing. Now, just fucking looking at every building she drives by. Excuse my language. I may have to put my tuner on. I got my tuner set at 91 octane tune. I may have to go up to 93 and just let it rip, see what happens. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd have to say, guys, I can really tell a difference. I'm gonna get this thing mounted and zip tied up, make it look neat. I just got to figure out a place to put it where I can see the modes I'm in and change it as I'm, you know, going down the road right where I'm at. But yeah, I'm liking that race mode. Race mode's pretty good. Come on, dude, don't rear end me now. Holy shit, I'm telling you.
It's kind of jerky in race mode though. But man, it's like on it. But yeah, guys, if I were going to spend the money, I would buy this Roar pedal. I would pay the $160 for this Roar Throttle Commander or Controller, however you want to call it. But park out here where I can see. But yeah, I keep getting the name messed up. I don't mean to, but like I said, it's the Roar Pedal Throttle Controller. I mean, it's a lot to say, and especially when you're kind of excited about, you know, how it's making your car come alive. And I can really tell it in the race mode. Could tell it a little bit in the Sport Plus mode, but not as much as I do in the race mode. And I don't think it's, you know, it says it doesn't hurt anything to run it like that. The only thing I think it's going to hurt will be your gas mileage, which, you know, I didn't buy this car for gas mileage. And it is hot outside. I know my ambient air intake is pretty hot. It's 124, which is usually normal for any setting I have on the car. And I got a 180 thermostat that's 192, but it is 96 freaking degrees outside right now. But anyway, let's get this thing turned off, and hopefully I'll get you, you know, enough information to where you're convinced to buy you one. Don't spend $300 on that on the other brands. There's no need in it. Buy this. And I'm not sponsored by them. I paid for this out of my pocket, and I'm pretty sure there's some other ones that'll do the same, but for 150 to 160 bucks, you can't beat that. And they do have some cheaper ones on American Muscle for, I think, $130, and that probably does the same thing. But this is one that I decided to buy, do all the reviews. They said they hadn't had any glitches in them and no check engine lights, and one guy's had it for about a year and says he really likes it and no problems whatsoever. Would buy another one if it tore up, that he liked it that much. But anyway, this is Paul Block's Garage, and hopefully I can get this video out to you, and go buy you one, try it out, man. If you're looking, like, if you got a Durango or a Charger or a Challenger, or, you know, some kind of Mopar, and I got them for Mustangs and Camaros and all that stuff, but Mopar, no car, baby. But anyway, this is Paul Block's Garage. Got any questions, concerns, hit me up. Like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye.